Hey guys, have you ever been in an argument with someone and you guys just can't seem to figure out who's right, who's wrong, you both disagree? Well, I'm going to show you today the process of argumentation and how to structure your argument and win with class. First, we'll start off with critical thinking. Critical thinking is the careful and deliberative effort to make a decision based upon thoughtful evaluation of all available information. In order to come to a conclusion, you have to critically think about both sides of the argument. But first, you have to understand the process of argumentation. The resolution. The resolution is a statement of judgment that identifies the issue of controversy, so what you are arguing about. In order to understand the resolution, you have to understand the functions of the resolution. The first function is that it specifies the point of discussion, so you know what you're arguing about and keeps you focused on the idea at hand. The second function is that it assigns speaker obligations. The third function is that it instructs the audience. The fourth function is that it specifies the type of resolution: a resolution of fact, a resolution of value, and a resolution of policy. A resolution of fact seeks to alter or reinforce our beliefs by seeking to alter our views of reality. For example, life evolved from existing conditions on Earth. It did or did not happen. A resolution of value seeks to alter the beliefs of the audience by showing the relative importance of value of something. For example, life is more important than quality of life. Resolution of policy seeks to convince an audience that a status quo problem exists that needs to be solved. For example, BSU should significantly increase parking for students. Should is always used in a policy resolution. Characteristics of a well-phrased resolution include 1. A clear statement of controversy. 2. One central idea that does not include and. 3. Phased in unemotional terms. And 4. A clear statement of decision. In order to form a well-phrased resolution, you have to include a claim, data, and a warrant. A claim is a single declarative statement that is the goal of the argument. It's what you want the audience to believe and the conclusion you want the audience to reach when the argument is over. Data is verifiable evidence to support that the claim is true. This can be research, knowledge base, or experience. The warrant is the connection between the data and the claim. It's the reasoning that explains/justifies why or how, if the data is true, then the claim is true. Now, let's put it all together in the 5-step process to presenting an argument. First, you'll state your claim. Now remember, this is what you want the audience to conclude at the end of the argument. Next, you have your clarifier. This is an optional step that gives you the opportunity to define or explain the meaning of your claim. Then you add your data. Remember, this is verifiable data to support the claim. It can either be research, experience, or knowledge-based. After you state your data, you'll simply restate your claim. After restating your claim, you'll add the warrant. Remember, the warrant is the connection between the data and the claim. The significance of the argument. Why and how. The big picture. Why the resolution is true. Since you may not always be the first person to present your side during an argument, I'm also going to show you how to refute an argument. The 5-step process to refuting an argument is pretty simple if you can remember the 5-step process to presenting an argument. First, you will restate the claim of the argument that you are responding to. Then, you will state your claim. If it needs a little further explanation, you can provide one. Just like in presenting a claim, you'll add your data, your verifiable evidence to support your claim. Then, you'll restate your claim. After restating your claim, you'll state your warrant. Remember, this is the connection between your data and your claim. In conclusion, argumentation is just a process of communicating differing ideas. If you were to take anything away from this presentation, it would be the 5-step process to presenting and refuting an argument, along with the 3 most important aspects of an argument: your claim, your data, and your warrant.